Lassie, stop running in the house. And I wish I had an ironing board stand that would prevent my iron from constantly falling.
When it comes to choosing the best ironing board for steam irons, features matter, and we give it all to you in the XQiZiT Ironing Board.
This ironing board is the only board I will ever purchase and use, and it's a total game changer. Choose from full, partial, or no steam loss modes, ensuring less wasted water, fewer refills, and consistent steam power for flawless results. No more worries about your iron slipping or falling. The anti-fall iron holder keeps it firmly in place while you work. When you're finished, simply tuck your iron into the built-in storage holder, a space-saving solution for neat and tidy laundry rooms. At the 45 and 90-degree angles, the iron is further away from the ironing board cloth covering, which reduces the risk of fires dramatically. Our engineers designed the legs with balance and sturdiness in mind. This also prevents the iron from constantly falling.
Your ironing board holder has dual purpose. It's an iron stand and storage unit for your iron.
You will definitely save time, water, and money with fewer stops to refill your steam iron reservoir.
Upgrade now with an ironing board that preserves steam, secure your iron, prevent fires. Sturdy legs saves time, water, and energy while keeping your clothes crisp and fresh.
You bought it but don't like it? No problem. We offer a 30 days money-back guarantee from your delivery date. Only pay for return shipping. What are you waiting for? Visit our website at the link below before they are all gone. Don't miss out.